Good evening. For the first time, the Arkansas Attorney General has rejected a proposed constitutional amendment's ballot title, citing a new law that requires ballot language to be written at no higher than an 8th grade reading level.
Channel 7's Andrew Mobley has more on how that's determined and what it might mean for future efforts to amend the state's constitution. Andrew.
It's the third time this ballot title by the League of Women Voters of Arkansas and the group Save Our Democracy has been rejected, but the first time under brand new Act 602. The proposed amendment aims to simplify Arkansas's initiative and referendum process, which allows citizens to petition for constitutional changes. While it's a key form of direct democracy, some lawmakers concerned about fraud in preserving the Constitution have tightened the rules with new legislation.
Most of the members of the General Assembly, they do not like the people having this power to create their own laws. They will do everything they can to slow that process down.
Act 602 requires ballot titles to be written at an 8th grade reading level based on the Flesch-Kincaid test. In his latest rejection of the direct democracy ballot title, Attorney General Tim Griffin said it was written at a 12th grade reading level.
You can't draw such a hard line. The General Assembly should have put in there that the ballot title should be simple and not complex, and then, give people the leeway, or the court the leeway, to interpret that.
The formula used by the Flesch-Kincaid grade level test is very precise, judging a text's readability by sentence length and word complexity, down to the syllables. Yesterday, the League of Women Voters resubmitted its ballot title, its language corrected to an 8th grade reading level as determined by Flesch-Kincaid.
One word might make a 2-grade difference in what you're looking at. So if you use repeal instead of replaced, or General Assembly, we refer to it as state legislature thereafter, because just using General Assembly would have made it like a 9th or a 10th grade level.
Couch is concerned that it will be impossible for some future ballot titles to be written at an 8th grade level by virtue of their content.
Sure, we want our ballot titles to be short and concise and readable, but when you're amending the Constitution, you're doing stuff that's probably above the 8th grade level.
The Attorney General has 9 more business days to approve or reject the resubmitted ballot title adjusted to an 8th grade reading level. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
Okay, Andrew, thanks very much. You can find a more in-depth look at the Direct Democracy Ballot Initiative with this story on KATV.com.